Ever opened an email that looked legitimate, but something didn't feel quite right? Maybe it claimed your account was locked, or that you'd won a prize you never entered. These are classic signs of phishing, one of the most common and effective cyber attacks today. And the truth is, phishing works because it preys on trust, urgency, and human behavior. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow that empowers individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. In this video, we will break down what phishing attacks are, how they trick people, and most importantly, how can you protect yourself. Phishing attacks are attempts to steal personal information, things like passwords, bank details, or login credentials. Cybercriminals do this by sending emails, texts, or creating fake websites that look completely legitimate. You might receive a message that appears to be from your bank, a delivery company, or even a colleague. The goal is simple: get you to click a link, download an attachment, or hand over sensitive information without thinking twice. These attacks are designed to look real. They often use official-looking logos, familiar wordings, fake security alerts, urgent calls to action, and because they mimic trusted organizations, it's easy to fall for them. Phishing attacks are effective because they target people, not systems. Even the strongest antivirus software can stop you from clicking a malicious link if you believe it's real. Here's what makes phishing so dangerous. First, they create urgency. Messages often say things like, "Your account will be closed for 24 hours. We detected suspicious activity. Your parcel cannot be delivered." That pressure is designed to make you act quickly. They look legitimate. Cybercriminals copy company brandings, email signatures, website layouts, customer service language. At a glance, everything looks normal. That is why they are so hard to spot. They can lead to serious consequences. Falling for a phishing attack can result in identity theft, stolen money, compromised accounts, malware infections, and long-term privacy risks. Once attackers have your information, they can use it across multiple platforms. In cases they gain access to multiple accounts too. Let's look at a phishing email. We noticed unusual activity on your account at 9:42 a.m. For your security, please verify your identity using the link below. This message feels believable because it includes specific times, personal formatting, a sense of urgency, and a tone that matches real company emails. This is why staying alert is really important, especially nowadays when AI can enhance these phishing attempts. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills and online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Here are some practical steps you can start doing today. Pause before clicking. If an email asks you to act immediately, take a moment. Urgency is a red flag. Check the sender's email address. Hover over the sender's name. Does the full address match the official domain? If you're unsure, confirm through a trusted source, for example, by calling your bank using the official phone number listed on their website. Avoid clicking suspicious links. If you're unsure, don't click. Instead, go directly to the company's official website or app. Don't download unexpected attachments. Even if the email looks legitimate, attachments can contain malware. Use email filtering tools. Most email providers offer spam filters that automatically block suspicious messages. Make sure yours are turned on and updated. Report phishing attempts. Whether it's your email provider, workplace IT team, or the organization being impersonated, Reporting helps protect others too. Phishing attacks rely on catching you off guard. But with awareness and a few smart habits, you can dramatically reduce the risk. Remember, trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Legitimate companies will never pressure you into sharing personal information over an email. When in doubt, verify through a trusted source, not the message itself. We hope this video helps you feel more confident spotting phishing attempts and protecting your personal information online. If you'd like to learn more, join our free IT classes and community events. We would love to meet you. Check our website in the description below and get in touch with our team for personalized support. Our free and paid online courses include learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful.